Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name is Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous Audi A7 3-litre TDI V6 S-Line Sportback Tronic Quattro. Now this vehicle has got around 45,272 miles and it's finished in the colour Floret Silver. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. And now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you will find the Audi Matrix LED headlights, which light up the road nicely, giving you great visibility. They also look very stylish as well and complement the overall design of the vehicle. Around here to the side, you'll find your 19-inch alloy wheels. You have your S-Line badge in there on the side. You also have the optional extra rear privacy glass, give you nice privacy that adds to the nice sporty, sleek design of the vehicle. Here inside to the rear, you'll find your gorgeous black leather interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You've got a pull-out armrest there in the middle seat, and you even have 4-zone climate control, so you can pick temperature controls for either side of the rear here. Rear passengers can travel with the ultimate comfort. Heading round to the rear of the vehicle now, you do have your powered tailgate that can be opened using the key fob. You can also see there the dynamic rear indicators in action, a nice touch from Audi. Overall, you do have a very nice amount of boot space. You can fit 2 suitcases in there very nicely. There are tethering points, so you can tiny loads down if you need to, if you don't want things to move around freely in the vehicle. There's also a spare wheel underneath the boot floor. Up top, you will find a button for closing the tailgate, which is very handy, for example, when your hands are full. You don't have to struggle to shut it. Simply hit the button and it'll close for you. Take a look inside here to the front now. You'll find your leather multifunction S-Line branded steering wheel. You've got a nice metal finish there in the centre console. Your front seats with the S-Line badging embossed into the leather. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You do also have an adjustable armrest there in the centre console, so you can travel comfortably as well. And now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Audi A7 has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find the memory settings for your driver's seat. Handy touch to have if you have an additional driver. You can set your preferred driving position and revert back to it if it's ever changed. Down below here you have the optional extra power folding door mirrors, which will automatically close when you lock the vehicle. It's a very handy touch to have to keep them protected, especially when parking on narrow roads, for example, or manoeuvring around in tight spaces. You've got your full electric windows there, your child lock buttons to the rear as well. Here on the dashboard, you will find your automatic headlight switch. So when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. You can be sure the road will be well lit wherever necessary. Moving to the right here, you've got your wiper stalk. Moving on to the right of the steering wheel, you will find the volume controls for the infotainment system. You do also have paddle shifts behind the rear of the steering wheel to make manual gear changes from the S-Tronic gearbox. Here to the left, you have the controls for the very nice digital display that you have in the instrument cluster. You can access all different trip information on here. You've got the digital speedometer as well. You can see your different menus, including your audio, phone, and a compass for the navigation. You even see your onboard computer with your trip information. You've even got an efficiency program to see your fuel efficiency. It's a very nice touch to have. It gives the vehicle a very modern feel. Your indicator stalk there. Underneath you'll find your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys, as it means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, allowing you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. It's extremely ideal if you're frequently on the motorway. You can access it very easily there as well. Moving to the centre of the dashboard now, you do have your infotainment screen here. You've got the controls for it here in the centre console. You do have shortcut buttons to access your different menus very easily. You've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio, and with your DAB you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clearly, and it's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle with a list of all different stations you can go through there. Alternatively, you can connect your own source of audio. You've got a CD player, SD input, Audi music interface and Bluetooth audio as well. Moving on now, you've got your navigation here, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance with a nice vibrant coloured display. Using the scroller, you can zoom in and out, changing the view of the map. You can see the speed limit displayed on there as well, so you can be sure you're going the correct speed limit for the road you're on. Moving on now, you've got your information page here. Here you've got access to all traffic reports. You can see if any delays on the roads ahead, so you can find alternative routes. Moving on now, you do have your telephone menu here where you can connect your phone with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whatever you need to, and it also ensures you don't miss any important phone calls while you're driving. You can pair your device up very easily here. Here in the vehicle menu, you've got access to your Audi Drive Select with efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual, which change how the vehicle performs and handles, so you can enhance your driving experience through these. Moving on to your vehicle settings now, you've got access to different features such as your seats, exterior lighting and the central locking. You've got your driver assist menu here. You've got access to the speed warning where you can set up a speed limit that the vehicle will then alert you if you start to exceed, so you can be very cautious. You've got your parking aid. This A7 does come equipped with the front and rear parking sensors to give you added confidence when parking, as it does make you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle. It makes parking much more easier to do overall. You can adjust the parking aid here in the settings. You've got your rest recommendation and your rain sensors as well there. Moving on now, you do have your hazard lighting underneath the display. Underneath you will find your CD player. You'll also find access to your start-stop system, a button for the parking sensors. You do have a button for opening the retractable spoiler, which automatically opens up anyway at higher speeds. You've got your traction control there as well. Down below here you will find your front controls for the 4-zone climate control. You do have automatic features. You can pick the temperature and fan speed along with the direction of airflow for both driver and passenger, preventing any arguments on anything to do with the climate control. You can pick it for your side and not have to worry about any of your passengers. It's very easy to use overall. You've got buttons for defrosting the front and rear windscreen. You've also got the sync button to sync up to have the same settings throughout the interior. You've got heated front seats with 3 different temperature options to keep you nice and warm on those colder days, especially handy with the leather interior. Your automatic gear selector there. You can see your center console. Thanks for watching this video on the Audi A7 3-litre TDI V6 S-Line Sportback S-Tronic Quattro. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.